Alright, hi guys, Dave here again. So this time I will go ahead and teach you how to add numbers in the do not call list. So let's say you have a sheet inclusive of all of your internal do not call lists. So let's say you do have a CSV file containing all of those numbers, and then you want to add them all at the same time. Pretending that I already have that on my file, I would simply go here in admin, okay, and here in the admin tab, you just have to simply go to manage do not call list. Now there are two ways of doing so. The first one, so again, we pretend that you have a specific do not call list. You just hit browse and then let's pretend that this is my my list of those do not call list, and it's a large file. So all you have to do is hit open, and then as soon as the upload button right here is activated, all you have to do is upload, and you just have to click done. Now if you would want to add one number at a time, let's say you only want to add one number, all you have to do is go here and then press the number, type in the number right here, let's say this one. Click add DNC and then hit done. Okay, so those are the ways on how you can manually do tag someone in the DNC. Now, not everyone has an access over the admin tab. If you have an agent access, all you have is the dashboard, list view, and contact view. Now during a live call, if they requested if you spoke with someone and is requesting for their number to be taken off of your list, all you have to do is go to made contact and then request do not call. Alright, also if you would want to add another way of adding a number, so all you have to do is go to list view. Let's say you type in a phone number. I don't have an available phone number here, but all you have to do is do a global phone search. So let's say this one. Do I have that? Let me just check. There should be no records found. Let me try checking another number. Okay, I was able to get another number. Okay, let's say you want to put this one on the federal do not call list. I mean, not federal do not call list, on your do not call list. So I got a couple of info here. So all you have to do is get one, click the view contact. Alright, from list view, you'd be routed to contact view, and then same thing. Just click on made contact and then hit request do not call. So that's simply how you put someone on the do not call list. Thank you.